Hi, I'm Neil Hanks and welcome to our 2022 second quarter market report. Our warm summer weather continues its long run in July, and the same can be said for the exceptionally robust regional real estate market here in Western North Carolina. Just as we all know that fall weather is on the way, the local real estate landscape is also showing signs of change. In this market report, we're going to tell you why we think the change is a good thing. Rising interest rates are a key factor to watch as the marketplace begins to shift. Higher interest rates always make headlines, and they also keenly impact buyers. However, it may be surprising to learn that the data in our area shows that home prices continue to climb despite the rate hikes. This is certainly a dynamic to watch. Let's take a look at the numbers. Median home prices in the region rose 16.9% from the end of the second quarter of 2021 to an all-time high of $415,000. And while it's important to note that unit sales have slipped slightly from the all-time highs experienced in 2021, the fact remains that demand continues to outpace the supply of homes available for sale. What does this mean to you? The strong demand for real estate in our area will continue to push prices steadily upward and keep time on the market at historically low levels. What that looks like at present is an average of 26 days to closing, compared to 44 at the same time last year. Bottom line here is that we remain in a very advantageous time for sellers. Early indicators of change are beginning to emerge, and this is one of the key takeaways here as we close out the second quarter. Residential unit sales have dropped 10.1%, and for the first time in a long time, we've begun to see new listings outpace sales. This change is the first step toward closing the gap between available inventory and demand. And here at Beverly-Hanks, we see this shift as a positive development and an indicator of increased balance and opportunity arriving in the marketplace. While the last few years have been a great time to be a seller in the real estate marketplace, it has been a very challenging period for buyers, especially first-time home buyers or those in the more moderate price ranges. Some homeowners are anticipating an impending shift and are getting their homes on the market as they track dips in consumer confidence, rising inflation, and climbing interest rates. And we're glad to see the field opening up for buyers. So has the opportunity for you to sell passed? We don't think so, especially when the demand to live in Western North Carolina remains strong in a region where quality of life, economic opportunity, and expansive cultural offerings are set against a stunning Blue Ridge Mountain backdrop. Looking at the big picture, social factors are also influencing and pushing that strong demand. At Beverly-Hanks, we think that the increased mobility of a work-from-anywhere society will keep our region high in the consideration set for relocation. Unemployment remains historically low, and millennials with families are ready to own a home. It's still a great time to sell as we remain firmly in a seller's market. If you're wondering about the long-term value of your real estate interests, all signs point to the fact that investment in Western North Carolina remains a wise and prudent move. We do anticipate that the rate of appreciation will moderate toward more historically normal levels in the single digits. However, overall, home property values are not likely to fall. All in all, we believe a little cooling in the real estate markets to be a healthy thing. A little cooler weather in the mountains this fall will be welcome as well. Enjoy the rest of your summer. If we can assist you with your real estate needs in Western North Carolina, it would be our honor to do so. I'm Neil Hanks, and thanks for coming along for our 2022 second quarter market report.